Welcome to Digital Growth Tutor. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Performance Max campaign for a Shopify store using Google Ads, step by step. Performance Max, or PMax, is a goal-based campaign type that allows Google to show your ads across search, display, YouTube, Gmail, Discover, and Shopping, all from one campaign. It uses your product feed from Google Merchant Center, machine learning, audience signals to find the right customer at the right time. To create a campaign, go to ads.google.com and log in to your Google Ads account. From the left-hand menu, click the plus icon, then click New Campaign. Choose your campaign objective. Since we're creating a Performance Max campaign for a Shopify store, select Sales. Your conversion goal will be automatically set to Purchase. If you don't see a conversion goal, make sure you set up conversion tracking first from the Goals menu. Click Continue. Now, select Performance Max as your campaign type. You'll notice that your Google Merchant Center account is automatically selected. This is because it was previously connected through Shopify using the Google and YouTube sales channel. Rename your campaign so it's easy to identify later. Click Continue. Under Bidding, you'll see two bidding options. Conversions, this focuses on getting the maximum number of purchases. Conversion Value focuses on getting the highest total revenue, optimizing for order value. Since this is a new campaign for a new brand, I'm selecting Conversions. You can also set a target CPA, which tells Google how much you're willing to pay per purchase. For now, I'm leaving it blank and allowing Google to learn freely. You'll see an option that says Adjust your bidding to help acquire new customers. I'm keeping this off because all customers for this brand are new. Click Next. Now, set your target location. You can add countries, cities, or even smaller areas using advanced search. Under Location Options, select the second option, Presence, people in or regularly in your included locations. This helps avoid wasted spend on users outside your target area. Click Next. Here, you can choose which products to promote. You can use all products or select products category-wise. For this tutorial, I'm selecting a specific product category. Add your business name and business logo. This helps Google build brand-consistent ads across placements. Now we move to Assets, which is very important for PMax. You can add up to 15 headlines. Google also offers an option to generate headlines using AI. Simply describe your product and Google will generate suggestions. I've already generated headlines earlier, and I'm selecting the best ones. Add 5 long descriptions and 5 short descriptions. You can also generate descriptions using Google AI and select from the suggestions. You can add up to 20 images in at least 4 different sizes. You can scan your website, pull images from social media, use stock images, or upload new images manually. You can add videos from your YouTube channel or upload new videos. If you don't upload videos, Google may auto-generate one, but it's always better to upload your own. Add site links for popular categories or collections. Each site link should include site link name, 2 lines of description, destination URL. This helps users navigate directly to important pages. You can either select a custom call to action or keep it automatic, which I recommend for most cases. Now we move to signals. Search themes tell Google what your customers are searching for. You can add up to 50 search themes. These are keywords that help guide Google's machine learning. Audience signals help Google understand who is most likely to convert. Types of audience signals include website visitors, customer lists, interests, and in-market audiences. You can also add saved audiences. For this campaign, I'm selecting all converters from the list. Audience signals do not limit reach, they only guide optimization. Now set your daily budget. As a rule of thumb, your daily budget should be at least 3 to 5 times your expected CPA. Click Next. Sometimes Google may ask for account or business verification. Carefully review all the settings. If everything looks good, click Publish Campaign. That's how you create a Performance Max campaign for a Shopify store using Google Ads. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe, and follow Digital Growth Tutor for more step-by-step digital marketing guides.